Today is Tuesday, August 19, 2019, about 9:30 a.m. This is one of the red dragonflies I've seen in this area. There seems to be quite a few of them. But today I have managed to see one, which is only about 3 feet away from me. And as you can see, it doesn't fly away. And it really gave me a close view of the structure. Oh, it's gone because this woman came, and so I have to stop now. I don't know whether it has flown somewhere, and there's a brief record of this red colored dragonfly. There's the other type, the golden one. I will show it on my blog. Today is August 19, Tuesday, 2019, Singapore. Lentor. Look, there are many plants with hibiscus flowers, reddish, and this variety, this color. Other than that, some gardeners have planted outside their houses the flowers on pots, as you can see. And that day I saw the broken-tailed lizard here, but today he's not around. So I shall stop now. August 19, 2019, Singapore. Oh, there's something there. There's a bird. Do you see the sunbird? It's a very flighty one. Very hard to take videos. It's gone. Oh, it's still there? No, it's gone. Shall stop now. Singapore, August 19, 2019, Tuesday, about 10 a.m.